Hey guys, it's time for another shop interview video. I'm about to walk around, see what the guys are up to this week. Not sure if they're working on projects or products that we sell or what, but we won't know until we ask, so let's go.
So this week we're getting all of this, about 1,000 pounds of equipment, shipped out to the Antarctic expedition. So we've got a radio tower, we've got a reel of fiber optic cable under me, computer and laser system in the big blue box, and then we've got a bunch of tilt meters and other things on the back pallet. So it took about a little over a person day to pack everything, but it's headed to Antarctica now.
So I'm just making pull pin switches. So we take a chunk of aluminum, machine it in the CNC mill, and then it comes out looking like this, 10 switches at a time. Cut those apart and you end up with this stock. And then these will get further machined to get the backsides machined and the pin slots machined. And that's how we make them.
Well, there you go. I know they're ready to get some of the bigger stuff done and over with and out. Once again, if you enjoy these types of videos, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all of the things that we work on here. And I'll see you next time.